This little jacket is called Broomstick Love and Picot Kisses, and I've used my beloved embroidery cotton to work broomstick rose into the jacket, alternating with a little tiny star and shell combination. And then I have bordered the entire jacket with the Picot Kisses, the very tiny picots that you can see here around the hem, the front, and the sleeves. And this is a generous 3 months, probably up to 6 months size. And this little beauty is $129.